Hi everybody, my name's Martin, and in this little video we're going to be talking about prepositions, specifically prepositions of place, at, on and in. Now I know that these can be a little confusing, a little complicated when you're learning English. It takes time, it takes practice. So I'm going to try and give you a general idea today in this video of how we use them. We're going to begin with at. When using this preposition, we think of a place as a point, not an area. This is why we would say, I'm at home. You're not saying exactly where you are in your house or anything like that. You're just at home. Or, I'm at university. I'm at work. At the moment, I'm at work. I'm at the school at British House. We also use it when we're talking about an event where a number of people will be. A concert maybe. I saw John at the concert. At the party. At the wedding reception. Where there's other people around you. When we use in, we're being more specific. We're thinking of an area or a space. For example, I could say, I'm in the classroom, or I'm in a classroom. So as I said before, I could say, I'm at work. A generalization, not a point. I'm at work. I'm in the classroom. Or in the office. Or at home, I'm in the living room. We also use this for vehicles, but only certain types of vehicle. We use it for cars, taxis, or lorries. If you're not sure what lorry means, it's truck. Lorry is British English, truck, American English. So you can say, I'm in the car at the moment. Not on the car, not at the car. Also, we could use it, for example, when somebody's not well and they're in hospital. Another time we use this is when we talk about the world that we live in. We could say, that's the biggest building in the world. Not of the world, in the world. Let's move on to on. On is used to talk about being in contact with a surface. For example, I could put the folder on the table, or the folder is on the table. Okay? We can also use a preposition of movement here, onto. So I put it onto the table, and now it's on the table. And many things can be a surface, even parts of your body. I'm going to put the hat on my head. Now I'm going to put it on the folder, which is on the table. Now, earlier I told you that we use in for cars, taxis, and lorries. But for other vehicles, planes, ships, buses, trains, you're on. So, if you're on the bus, somebody calls you, that's exactly what you say. I'm on the bus, not in the bus, not in the plane, you're on it. If you make mistakes with this kind of preposition, nobody will really care, but of course, you want to perfect your English. But if, as I said, if you said, I'm in the plane, nobody's going to misunderstand you. So don't worry so much about making mistakes here. but try to do your best. So, there's some little tips for you about at, in and on. Of course, there's lots more to learn about prepositions, and you can do that with self-study, watching videos, coming to the academy and learning. Step by step. You'll get the hang of them. See you next time.